Your loyalty program is only as strong as the integrity behind it. Card sharing is costing you, and it's time to put a stop to it. Guests share loyalty cards to pool points, redeem unearned benefits, exploit bonusing in reward systems, or worse, to conceal criminal behavior. Card sharing distorts data, disrupts VIP service, and erodes trust in your loyalty ecosystem, undermining analytics and guest experience. Facial recognition technology links every loyalty membership to a face, ensuring only the rightful owner can use it. The process is fast, seamless, and secure, adding value to loyal guests while eliminating fraud. Face recognition ensures accurate patron tracking across every touchpoint, securing loyalty systems, anti-money laundering, anti-cheating, and responsible gaming programs. With cleaner data, your marketing becomes smarter, bonuses and awards become more effective, and guest satisfaction rises. Eliminate card fraud. Protect your organization and your loyal customers with Casino ID from Xailient. See what matters.